Brilliant X-rays, such as those produced at a special light source like PETRA III, offer researchers a whole new range of different methods of examining historical artifacts and works of art. These methods are called non-destructive. The objects examined remain intact. Various questions, such as which color pigments were used, or how those pigments changed over time, can be answered using X-ray light. Such questions are already being investigated at DESY. With the help of high-intensity X-rays, Roman glass eyes from the famous Battle of the Teutoburg Forest were examined for their color pigments. This makes it possible to find out which chemical elements the Romans used to colorize the glass. In addition to colors, the composition of objects can also be revealed. In the case of a medieval communion cup, the inner structure is deciphered by analyzing it with X-rays in order to learn more about the manufacturing process. A wide variety of analytical methods are used in these examinations. With computed tomography, many individual radiographic images are combined to form a complex 3D image, allowing views into the objects from every angle. With fluorescence spectroscopy, on the other hand, atoms in an object are excited by light and thus made to glow. This phenomenon is called fluorescence and is individual to each material. It can be used to determine the contained elements and their distribution in the object examined. This can be used to decipher the chemical structure of colors and to bring hidden images in paintings to light, such as in Van Gogh's Craftsmanship. This painting concealed another one. Van Gogh had painted a meadow over a portrait of a woman. Another method is diffraction. Here, X-rays are directed onto the object and scattered by its material, and the emerging X-ray pattern is measured. The intensity and angle of the detected pattern provide information about the atomic composition of the object. This allows the composition and structure of the material to be determined. Cultural objects provide insights into the history of mankind. Placed in X-ray light and examined with the help of physical methods, centuries-old secrets can be revealed.